Welcome to New Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest in smartphone innovation and technology. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary Huawei Mate XT, a device that's redefining the future of foldable phones. Let's explore what makes this gadget a game changer. Design and display. The Huawei Mate XT boasts a stunning foldable design that seamlessly blends style and functionality. Its ultra-thin body houses an 8-inch OLED display when unfolded, offering a tablet-like experience. When folded, it transforms into a compact 6.5-inch smartphone, perfect for one-handed use. The hinge mechanism is engineered for durability, ensuring smooth transitions between modes. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the display delivers buttery-smooth visuals, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or multitasking. Performance and power. Under the hood, the Mate XT is powered by Huawei's latest Kirin 9100 chipset, built on a 5nm process for unmatched efficiency and performance. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, this device handles everything from intensive gaming to heavy productivity tasks with ease. The 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, while 66W supercharged technology lets you power up in minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with this powerhouse. Camera innovation. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice. The Mate XT features a quad-camera setup co-engineered with Leica. The 50-megapixels main sensor captures stunning details, while the 16-megapixels ultra-wide lens and 12-megapixels telephoto lens offer versatility for every shot. The fourth camera is a dedicated macro lens for close-up creativity. With advanced AI algorithms, the Mate XT delivers professional-grade photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The foldable design also allows for unique shooting angles, making it a creative tool for content creators. Software and features. Running on Harmony OS 4.0, the Mate XT offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. The operating system is optimized for foldable displays, enabling innovative multitasking features like split-screen apps and drag-and-drop functionality. Enhanced security features, including facial recognition and an under-display fingerprint scanner, keep your data safe. The Mate XT also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds wherever you go. Conclusion. The Huawei Mate XT is more than just a smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its cutting-edge design, powerhouse performance, and innovative features, it's setting a new standard for foldable devices. If you're ready to experience the next level of smartphone innovation, the Mate XT is worth every penny. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from New Mobile *. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.